My neighbor, Mrs. Gable, bought one of those standard walkers last year because she wanted to keep up her morning walks. Well, within a week, she was back on the couch with a sore neck and an aching back because she was constantly hunched over. Choosing one of these is honestly a nightmare because every listing claims to be the best, but most are just heavy metal frames that are a pain to store or too flimsy to trust. I spent the last month testing the top models to see which actually keeps you standing tall and which ones are just glorified shopping carts. Also, I've tagged all the exact products we talked about right here in the video, so you can easily check them out.
6. LifeWalker Journey Up UPWalker Premium Lite. You know, when I first saw the word Lite in the name, I thought it would be the perfect solution for someone who travels a lot or has a smaller car. It is definitely lighter than the original models, which makes it easier to lift into a trunk. I mean, that is a real plus if you do not have much upper body strength. The frame is a bit thinner to save on that weight, and while it looks sleek, you can kind of feel the difference when you're putting your full weight onto the armrests. The armrests are adjustable, which is great for finding that upright posture we are looking for. It comes with a sit-to-stand handle, which is supposed to help you get up from a chair more easily. In theory, that's a fantastic feature, but when I actually used it, the whole frame felt a little bit jittery on anything that was not a perfectly smooth hardwood floor. If you're walking on a sidewalk with even a tiny bit of a crack, you really have to grip those handles tight to feel secure. The seat is okay for a quick breather, but it's not exactly what I would call plush. It's a bit narrow, so if you're a larger person, you might find yourself feeling a little squeezed. Also, the storage bag is fine for a phone or a small bottle of water, but don't expect to fit a full bag of groceries in there. 5. Elenker Upright Walker. This is one of the most popular ones you see online, mostly because the price point is very attractive. You look at it and think, wow, I can get an upright walker for that much? But you know, you often get what you pay for. Let me explain. The assembly process was a bit of a headache. The instructions were not as clear as they could have been, and I ended up with a couple of extra screws that had me questioning my own sanity for a good 20 minutes. Once it is together, it looks quite sturdy. The wheels are large, which is usually a good sign for outdoor use. I took it out on a gravel path and it handled the bumps okay, but the vibration traveled right up through the armrests into my elbows. That is not great if you have arthritis. The armrests themselves are padded, but the padding feels a little bit thin, like it might wear down after a few months of heavy use. The braking system is another area where I felt like things were just a bit off. They work, don't get me wrong, but they feel a little stiff. You really have to pull back with some force to lock them in place. If you have any weakness in your hands, you might struggle with that. I mean, the whole point of these things is to make life easier, not to give you a forearm workout every time you want to sit down. 4. StrollAid Upright Walker. Now we're getting into the ones that actually started to impress me. The StrollAid walker feels like a significant step up in quality. You can tell the moment you put your hands on it that the materials are just better. The aluminum frame feels solid without being overly heavy. It has a nice weight to it that gives you confidence when you're leaning into it. Honestly, that feeling of it won't tip over is worth every penny. The armrests on this one are shaped much better than the previous two. They have a slight curve that cradles your forearms, which takes a lot of the pressure off your wrists. I walked with this one for about 45 minutes around a local park, and my posture felt great the entire time. No slouching, no looking at my feet, just looking straight ahead at the trees. It was a nice change of pace. The wheels are made of a softer rubber compound, which acts like a built-in shock absorber. It is much quieter than the Elenker. You don't get that clack, clack, clack on the sidewalk. Instead, it's a smooth, muted roll. The brakes are also much more responsive. They have a very satisfying click when you lock them, and they don't require a ton of hand strength to operate. One thing I really liked was the storage bag. It's actually big enough to be useful. I could fit a light jacket and a small bag of items from the pharmacy in there without it bulging out or dragging on the ground. 3. Helavo Extra Wide Bariatric Upright Walker. If you are someone who needs a little more room or a higher weight capacity, the Helavo is a beast in the best way possible. Well, calling it a beast might sound like it is hard to move, but it's actually surprisingly agile. The main selling point here is the width. It is wider between the handles, and the seat is much more generous than your standard walker. For anyone who has felt cramped in a traditional Rollator, this is going to feel like an upgrade to first class. The frame is reinforced so it can handle a lot of weight without showing any signs of stress. I noticed that even when I purposely leaned hard to one side, the walker stayed planted. That lateral stability is huge for safety. The wheels are massive and they are flat-free, meaning you never have to worry about a puncture or air pressure. They roll over grass and even soft dirt with zero issues. The armrests are deep and very well padded. You know, sometimes bariatric products feel like they just made a regular product bigger without making it more comfortable, but Helavo actually puts some thought into the ergonomics. The handles are adjustable in small increments, so you can really dial in the perfect height for your specific arm length. It's those small details that make a big difference over a long walk. The seat is the most comfortable one we've talked about so far. Drive Medical Elevate Upright Walker. Drive Medical is a huge name in the industry, and you can see why with this model. Everything about it feels polished. The design is sleek, the colors are modern, and it just looks more like a piece of high-end exercise equipment than a medical device. I mean, there is something to be said for having a walker that looks good. The standout feature here is the Elevate adjustment system. It is so smooth. You don't have to fight with pins or knobs. It just slides and locks with the precision that feels like a luxury car door closing. The armrests are contoured perfectly to follow the natural shape of your arm. They used a high-quality foam that doesn't seem like it will compress or get gross over time. Walking with the Elevate is a joy. It is incredibly responsive. You just think about turning and it turns. The front wheels swivel with zero resistance. I took it through a crowded farmer's market and I was able to navigate through the crowds without bumping into anyone or feeling like I was driving a bus. It is very nimble for an upright walker. The braking cables are hidden inside the frame. This might seem like a small thing, but you know, how many times have you caught a cable on a doorknob or a car handle? Having them tucked away makes the whole thing safer and much cleaner looking. The seat is padded with a mesh material that stays cool, which is a nice touch if you're using it in the summer heat. Lumex Gaitster Upright Walker. If the other walkers are cars, this is the precision-engineered German sedan. It is the gold standard for a reason. What sets the Gaitster apart is the sheer level of stability and the way it forces you into a perfect walking posture. It doesn't just help you walk, it helps you walk better. The forearm cradles are deeper than any other model I tested. This is crucial because it means your arms stay put. They don't slide off to the side, which gives you incredible control over the direction of the walker. The material is a soft-touch plastic that feels great against the skin and is very easy to wipe down. The handles are positioned at a perfect angle to keep your wrists in a neutral position, which completely eliminates that walker fatigue in your hands. The frame of the Gaitster is incredibly rigid. There is zero flex. When you push off, all your energy goes into forward motion. It feels like an extension of your own body. The wheels are large and have a specialized tread that grips the ground, even on wet pavement. I felt more secure on this walker than I have on any other mobility aid I have ever tried. One of my favorite things is how easy it is to adjust. The markings on the legs are clear and easy to read, so if you share the walker with a spouse, you can quickly find your setting again.